Looking for kitchen gadgets that make cooking safer, simpler, and more enjoyable for seniors? In this video, we'll show you Amazon kitchen products designed specifically to support aging hands, improve accessibility, and add comfort to everyday tasks. Whether it's easier prep, safer tools, or thoughtful design, these gadgets are here to make life easier. This swivel vegetable peeler glides effortlessly over fruits and veggies thanks to its ultra-sharp dual stainless steel blades. Designed with a soft, non-slip grip and an ergonomic shape, it's perfect for seniors or anyone with arthritis. It peels precisely, saving time, reducing waste, and making meal prep a breeze. With an impressive 36-inch reach and a rotating 360 degrees head, this grabber tool helps seniors pick up items without bending, twisting, or straining. Its non-slip silicone jaws and built-in magnets make it easy to grip everything from coins and pills to metal tools, even in hard-to-reach spots. Designed for comfort and control, it's perfect for those with limited mobility, arthritis, or recovering from surgery. This smart USB rechargeable can opener does all the work with one touch, cutting smoothly along the side and automatically stopping when it's done. It's perfect for seniors with arthritis or limited grip, thanks to its hands-free design, magnetic lid lifter, and soft edge cutting for total safety. Quiet, fast, and sleek, it's a modern kitchen upgrade that makes opening cans effortless and mess-free. This innovative Mezzaluna salad chopper slices through veggies with ease, thanks to its ultra-sharp, precision-engineered blades. Seniors will love the comfort grip and clever handle that separates to release clogged food or transform into a pizza cutter. It's dishwasher safe, easy to clean, and makes chopping salads, herbs, or even cheese effortless and fun. This ergonomic bottle opener combo is a game changer for seniors, effortlessly opening most plastic bottles, soda cans, and pull-tab food cans without pain or strain. Designed specifically for arthritis relief, it offers comfort, control, and confidence with every twist or lift. Compact, durable, and even magnetic for easy storage on your fridge, it's the must-have kitchen tool for everyday convenience. With the Philips Soup Maker, fresh homemade soup is just 18 minutes away. No stove, no mess, no planning needed. Its 6 preset programs let seniors create everything from smooth purees to hearty chunky soups, smoothies, and even milk-based recipes with the push of a button. Compact, easy to clean, and perfect for small meals, it's the ultimate comfort kitchen appliance for healthy, worry-free eating. This 10-piece measuring set includes clearly labeled cups and spoons in multiple sizes, perfect for seniors who want precision without the guesswork. Made from rust-resistant stainless steel and food-safe plastic, it's durable, safe, and easy to clean. With stackable design and engraved measurements, it makes cooking and baking simpler, faster, and more enjoyable. This 2-in-1 oil sprayer and dispenser lets seniors switch between a smooth pour or a fine mist with just a simple press, making meal prep cleaner and more precise. Its leak-proof design and anti-drip spout keep hands and countertops mess-free, while the clear glass bottle helps monitor usage at a glance. Perfect for oil, vinegar, or syrup, it's a smart kitchen essential for healthier, hassle-free cooking. These clever scissors combine a sharp stainless steel blade with a built-in cutting board, making chopping fruits, veggies, and even meat quick and easy. No need for bulky knives or messy prep. Seniors will appreciate the comfortable grip, safety lock for storage, and dishwasher-safe cleanup. Whether you're tossing a salad or slicing through cooked chicken, this all-in-one tool gets the job done with less effort and more safety. This 1-liter electric kettle boils water in just 3 minutes and includes a built-in tea infuser, perfect for brewing loose-leaf tea with ease. Seniors will love the automatic shutoff, boil-dry protection, and cordless design that makes pouring safer and spill-free. With LED indicator lights, a cool touch handle, and compact size, it's a smart and stylish upgrade for any kitchen.